Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change canvas color. So as default, you can see we have this white canvas color, and if you want to change into another canvas color, you can go to the layer option, and then in the background, we have this white box, and you can click, so you can change the background color, like into blue color. And the canvas will be changed into blue. So you can change again, slide into the red color. This is for red. And this is for yellow color. If you want to set, you can click outside. And then you can close from this layer option. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change canvas color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.